We'll show you how to create a website with WordPress with 1Panel in 3 minutes. Firstly, you need to visit the official website of 1Panel. Copy the installation script to the server. Execute the script and follow the prompts to install 1Panel. After installation, use a web browser to visit the access address returned by the installation script. Fill in the initial username and password to log in to the 1Panel console. You can see that the 1Panel has been installed. Because 1Panel leverages OpenResty as its web server for the website management feature, we need to download OpenResty. Leave the configuration as default and click to install. The next step is to find MySQL in the application list and install it, which will provide database services for the WordPress sites to be created later. Navigate to the website management page by clicking on the left. Then create a WordPress site. Follow the steps to modify some parameters and leave other parameters as default. After completing the website information and clicking confirm, 1Panel will automatically deploy a WordPress application from the App Store and create a website. You can see that the WordPress application has been deployed in the App Store. Log in to your DNS provider's management console and add a type DNS record. Use the domain name you entered when creating the website in the previous step, and the address should be the public IP address of the 1Panel server. If everything goes smoothly, you can now access the newly installed WordPress application using your domain name. To ensure normal access to the WordPress application, you need to adjust the SSL/TLS encryption mode in Cloudflare to a proper setting. Proceed to the certificate management page to request a free SSL certificate. Click the button at the top of the list. Enter your email, select the account type and encryption algorithm. Click the button Manage DNS Providers at the top of the list. Select the Cloudflare type. Enter your Cloudflare account, email. Perform the following steps to create an API token on the DNS web interface. Copy and paste it into the 1Panel. Then create a Cloudflare DNS provider. Click the button Request to open the certificate request page. Enter the primary domain name of the certificate. Select the Acme account created earlier. Choose as the verification method. Select the Cloudflare DNS account created before. Click the button Confirm. With all other parameters set to default, 1Panel will automatically complete the free SSL certificate application and DNS verification process. After the certificate application is complete, re-enter the website management page. Click the website name created earlier to enter the website configuration page, where you can enable HTTPS and select the certificate applied for in the previous step. After completing the above steps, you can now access your newly created WordPress site by visiting in your web browser.